back to my channel. I just want to say thank you to my new followers. I am so grateful for the few followers that I've got over this week. So yeah, I hope you guys stay and you enjoy staying here in my channel. And for today, we are going to the pumpkin patch with my babies, with my kids and my parents. So we'll just get ready. I'll just get this two dressed. She's still playing and hello. So I'll just get this two dressed and then we'll get going. We'll see you there. So this is what Kobe's gonna wear. So cute. That's why I'm so excited for pictures. And he's actually matching with Akina. Both of them are wearing this pumpkin print.
Then changing clothes. Look at my pet and look at my hair. Did I look beautiful?
He's not in the mood. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? We are now here at Underwood Family Farms. He just woke up. A little bit later I'll put him down in the wagon so I can just easily pull them together with her ate. So yeah, we're going inside now. on the way to the parking lot. We are going home. It was a disaster. It didn't go as planned. I have a lot of plans, like I'm gonna take picture here or over here, but this one didn't cooperate. He didn't cooperate. He wanted to eat all the pumpkins, right, Cody? And Akina is already hungry. She's not in the mood as well. So yeah, we're walking back to the parking lot, walking back to our car, and then maybe we're just gonna get a stop to McDonald's to get some food, and then we're gonna go back home. Bye. So we are now back home, and I'm so exhausted. I didn't expect it to be like that. Honestly, I was so surprised because I mean, I didn't know it's gonna be that hard to bring two kids in a pumpkin patch, and I haven't got the chance to show you around that much on the patch because I was just focusing on taking pictures of them because it's too hard. It's really so overwhelming, so I didn't expect it to be like that. So I was supposed to show you around more and tell you what's in there, what you're gonna see, and what they have, but I wasn't able to. So if you're gonna go there during the weekdays, the entrance would be $8, and if you're gonna go there during the weekends, it's gonna be $15. And you can go there as a walk-in, or you can purchase online tickets, but it's only available on the weekends. They do that because most of the people go there in the weekends because there's no work, there's no class, there's no school for the kids. So weekends are usually the famous times to go. So they wanted to minimize people going there. The differences with the patches before the pandemic and now that there's a pandemic is that there's no games. Before they do have like stalls for different kind of games that includes pumpkins. They don't have it now because of the pandemic, I think, so people cannot interact that much, their staff and the people going there. And then second, they don't have the rides, the pony rides and the other animal stuff going on. So you cannot go near the animals anymore. Like before, Akira went on a pony ride and then she can pet the animals, but today it's not open. I mean, you can see the animals, but you cannot go near them, you cannot pet them. Yeah, because of the pandemic. So yeah, you can just see them from afar. And there's not a lot of food stalls as well, because before there's a lot of like pumpkin pies, refreshments and other snacks that you can get, but right now they don't have it, I think. Yeah, or maybe because it's a weekday, but I don't know. I think there's really not that much food stalls because of the pandemic. So yeah, and then what else? With the view, it's still the same. Most of the decorations that they had before, it's still there. Like the house that's built in a pumpkin, it's still there. The tractor, the wagon ride is still there. Yeah, there's still a lot going on, but just not the games and the petting of the animals. And we weren't able to ride anymore because it's getting late and the kids are getting hungry. And we were supposed to go on their sunflower field as well, because we weren't able to do that last last year. So I wanted to go there, but we weren't able to, so it's fine. So I think this is going to be the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching, and again I want to say thank you to all of my new subscribers, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.